So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the new TCL 10 Pro. This is one of TCL's first TCL branded smartphones. Previously they've made phones for Alcatel and they've made phones for BlackBerry like the BlackBerry Key 1 and Key 2, but this is their first one that's under the TCL branding. As you can see, this has a 6.47 inch Full HD Plus display. AMOLED display, has HDR10 support, 128 gigs of storage, 6 gigs of RAM, and a 4,500 mAh battery. It's being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor, which is a mid-range processor compared to most Android phones these days, like the Galaxy S20 and whatnot. Those are running Snapdragon 865 processor. TCL has gone for more a mid-range route for their 10 series phones. So inside the box, here's the phone itself. A bit hard to get out of this plastic. So there's the phone itself. You see it's a curved display. On the back you have your 64 megapixel main lens, 16 megapixel low light lens, 5 megapixel super wide, and 2 megapixel just wide lens. At the bottom you have your USB-C port. Top you have a headphone jack. And then this one has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Let's see what else is inside the box. So here you have your SIM eject tool and manuals and whatnot, and so you have manuals and stuff. USB-C to Type A cable. And a USB power adapter. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the TCL